Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make two cute cartoons who are playing with each other. There are hearts in the air. The cartoons are playing hide and seek as we can see in the drawing. We will firstly draw the cartoon behind the wall and then the cartoon in front of the wall, and after performing the steps as shown in the video, we will color it. Proceeding forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a pig who is laying on the ground. Firstly, we'll draw the body of the pig, which is quite big, and then the small eyes and the big nose, making the face of the pig. And after performing the steps as shown in the video, after making the drawing, we will color it by different shades of colors as shown in the video, and we will also draw the shadow of the pig. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a cute rabbit. The rabbit, you must know, is from the story of the turtle and the rabbit. Hereby the rabbit is sleeping on the road while the turtle wins the race. Firstly, we'll draw the body of the rabbit, and then we'll also draw the land on which he is sleeping, and we can see the rabbit is snoring in sleep. After completing the drawing, we will color it by different shades of colors.